Oh man, what could it be? Packaging material! A copy of a letter! And a silver play button! How do we get that plastic off of there? Much better lighting. Knock over all the shot glasses. Oh, that's not a frame, it's a box. It's another box, a box within a box, boxception. Thus completes my first ever unboxing video. How is this a genre? Why do people watch these? All right. Finally got my silver play button award. Finally! This is for passing 100,000 subscribers, which I believe happens 3 years ago. Now, to be fair, what actually happened was they sent me an email saying, congratulations! And I was just like, spam, YouTube, you can't start an email like that. You can't put that in the header. I'm way too jaded for that. But it came up in conversation last month and I was like, oh yeah, why haven't I gotten my play button award? So yeah, it's finally here. And I want to thank all of you guys, because this wouldn't, you make up the 100,000 subscribers, so, and the 10,000 that are actually checking their inbox. And of that 10,000, you're the 1,000 that actually watch. So seriously, thanks. This would not be possible without you. I also want to thank my friends and family who believed in me. I mean, enough to tolerate me taking up their garage spaces and free time in exchange for pizza and booze. Although, you can't put a price on good pizza. Yeah, $16.55. That's a pretty good price. So I guess this is gonna have to replace the shield on the show host backdrop. Although I really like the shield there. Why don't we give the shield to the battle droid? Because if there's anyone who can use a shield, it's a battle droid. Let's be honest here. Let's not kid ourselves here. There you go. God, yeah, I didn't even clean up the scoring from the last time I trashed him. Oh, it's got one of those two. I'm not putting two nails in my wall. What are you doing, Wojcinski? Susan! Then we're gonna have to fix this problem with the wire coat hanger. Picture frames, paint stands, and car repair. What can't they do? Yeah, just gonna take my side cutters here. And just a regular pair of needle-nose pliers. This is becoming a tutorial. I can't escape it. Why would you want to? To trim those as well. And how we do? That is basically a bounce board straight back into the lens. So they used to be more of a belt buckle shape, but now they're making them as a plaque. A little bit of an engraving. White on metal. Good job, YouTube. And the play button is a mirror, so you can see yourself in the thing. Nice. Front and center, right there where it's gonna get blocked by my head every single show host bumper. I move around a lot, it's fine. Alright, thanks again. Now I gotta go back to building the Hydra Stomper.